YouTube.
So, do you see this puppy? We had a puppy named JD, and this is not real JD. This is our fake toy.
That's the fake JD. In case you're wondering, that was our intro for this video. So, you gonna tell them more about JD?
So, JD is the cutest dog.
Yeah. What about Bruno?
Yeah.
You like Bruno?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's brown.
Does Bruno have tools?
No.
Does Bruno watch our channel?
No.
Well, why are they on our channel if they're not watching it? Anyway, my daughter wanted to tell you all about, what's his name, JD?
Yeah.
The fake JD.
Yeah.
But we also have some other stuff to show you. So
I just made this as the collar.
Yeah. So we also have other stuff to show you, which we're going to get to.
And we had a Labrador chocolate.
We used to have a chocolate lab named Charlie. He died, right? We had one named Beans. And we had Bruno, no, not Bruno, JD, the Weiner Dog. And we had Marley, the Weiner Dog. So we used to tell her.
I just want Beans back.
Yeah, Beans is a good dog, but he's gone. But we had a dog named Beans, and we had Weiner Dogs. So we told everybody we had beans and wieners. Right?
Yeah.
All right, folks. This is going to end this video, and we're going to start another one. So thanks for watching.
Bye.
Don't forget to click the like button, the bell, and say hi to JD. Thanks for watching.